Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the Flutter. Flutter is a framework which is developed by the Google in 2017 for developing applications. With Flutter, we can use Dot as a programming language and VS Code or Android Studio as IDE we can use. Before going to in detail about the Flutter, just we have to discuss what are the different possible ways for creating mobile applications. Like first one is native applications. In case of native applications, we can create mobile apps by using native environment. Like for Android, we are using Android Studio as the IDE and Java or Kotlin as the language. In case of iOS, we are using Xcode as the IDE and Objective C as the language. We can develop native iOS applications. Here, few disadvantages in case of native applications, like we need to maintain two separate code bases, and second disadvantage is like to maintain separate teams we have to maintain. Here, what happens is, suppose if you want to do any small modification, we need to perform this modification in both the code bases. So to avoid these drawbacks in this particular native apps, we go with some web applications. In case of web applications, what happens is those people who have minimum knowledge on the web technology, like website development, they can develop these particular web apps. Here, what happens is they simply fit the website to the mobile screen. That's it. Because of this, what happened is it missed the native flavor, like that some navigations, like animations, and some push notifications, like there's some responsiveness related things. We miss all those things which are provided in the native SDKs. So the next immediate best alternate for this web apps is hybrid applications. In case of hybrid applications, what happens is we can create code at one place, but we can execute this particular code in multiple environments. In market, we have many frameworks are there, providing this particular same feature, like Core Ionic, and React Native, and Xamarin. Like that, many frameworks are there. So because of this hybrid applications, what happen is we can avoid the drawbacks which are faced in case of that particular native apps and the web apps. We can avoid all those drawbacks. Why? Because here we are using only single code base we can handle, and here one team is sufficient. So it is somewhat cost effective. But here few disadvantages are also there here. First one is like that we can observe a lag when compared with the native apps. Like for example, we create same application using native Android environment, and we create same application by using hybrid apps development environment. See here, what happens is when we try to execute both the codes in different devices, what happens? We can observe a small lag in case of hybrid application. It is like somewhat less responsiveness. Okay, so what happened is to avoid this particular lag, Google people introduced one new framework called as Flutter in 2017. The people avoid this particular lag by using two APIs, like JIT compilation and ahead of AOT ahead of time compilation. See, these people are developed these APIs in the language level itself. So what happened is, by in case of JIT compilation, what happened because of the JIT compilation, what happens? Faster reload. Means, for example, what happened is if I want to do modifications which are doing to the particular Android application, what happened? Native Android application, what happened is we need to totally rerun the application. It is somewhat time consuming. In case of this particular Flutter, what happened is these people provide some hot reload option. Because of this, what happened is just single click, I can see the modifications. Okay, second one is AOT ahead of time. Because of this ahead of time compilation, we can avoid the lag. Okay, because of this, finally, what I can say is JIT is somewhat developers friendly and AOT is somewhat users friendly.